Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can get the Netflix app for your Windows computer in Windows 10. You've probably heard that Netflix is losing subscribers for the first time in 10 years, but even so, it's still one of the most popular platforms right now, so it is worth reviewing how to install these applications on our devices. The good thing about the Netflix application is that you can download content and watch it offline. That is, without the need to connect to the internet. This works for both computers and mobile devices, whether they are tablets or cell phones. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into it. But before, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is search for the Microsoft Store. To do it, tap in Store in the search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Once we are in the Microsoft Store, we have to search for the app called Netflix. So go to the search bar of the Microsoft Store and type in Netflix. You can also select it if you find it in the home menu. Okay, so this is the application. I'm gonna select it, and now here at the left we have to click on Get. Now we just have to wait a little bit for the app to install. The application will install itself, so now all you have to do is click on Open. If you don't have a user, you have to create one. In my case, I'm just gonna log in my account and then click on Sign In. I'm gonna choose my profile, and here we are in the home menu of Netflix. You have to look for this symbol, and that will mean that the content can be downloaded and you can watch it offline. So let's see. All of the content is available for download. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one, and then as you see, we have the symbol right here. So I'm gonna click on that, and after a few seconds we'll see that the content is being downloaded. You'll see this download bar appear below, and now all you have to do is wait for the content to download. Okay, now that the download is complete, you can play your episodes. You can find it here in the menu where it says My Downloads. You'll see that we have this checkbox blue here that says that the content is available to see offline. And that was all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you enjoy all the content that Netflix has to offer. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to keep watching and learning from our videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.